Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to easily create a video call link in WhatsApp on your PC. So, let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and have a stable internet connection. Step 2. Next, click on the phone icon from the left menu. This will take you to the calling options. Step 3. Now, click on Create Call Link to generate a unique link for your video call. Step 4. From the drop-down menu under Call Type, choose Video. This will ensure that the link you share allows participants to join a video call. Step 5. Lastly, copy the generated link and send it to the people you want to invite to the video call. You can share it through WhatsApp messages, emails, or any other preferred communication method. And there you have it. You've successfully created a video call link in WhatsApp on your PC. Now, you and your contacts can easily join the video call by clicking on the shared link. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy video calling!